In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL Network live. Let's get started. The easiest choices are participating live TV streaming service or the official NFL Plus streaming service. NFL Network is available live through supported TV providers, and you can also connect your provider account through the NFL website or NFL app. For a direct streaming option, you can subscribe to NFL Plus, which includes 24/7 access to NFL Network. NFL Plus also offers live out-of-market preseason games, while NFL Plus Premium adds features such as NFL Red Zone and game replays. Another option is a live TV streaming service that carries NFL Network, such as YouTube TV, Fubo, Hulu Plus Live TV, or Sling TV, depending on the current channel lineup in your area. After subscribing, simply open the provider's app, find NFL Network in the channel guide, and start watching live. You can also watch NFL Network on supported devices through the official NFL app by signing in with an eligible TV provider account. Once authenticated, open the NFL Network or live section to start streaming. So if you want to watch NFL Network live, choose NFL Plus for a direct NFL streaming option, or use a supported live TV provider if you want NFL Network along with other channels. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.